So the Citizens' Assembly for Northern Ireland is a type of democratic innovation. Citizens' assemblies are used all around the world to help solve the deadlock or impasse on complex or contested issues, and they're a way for citizens to have a greater say in decision making on issues that affect all of us. So this first Citizens' Assembly for Northern Ireland is being run as an independent civil society initiative to pilot the model, and it's our hope that this will be something that can be taken up by the Northern Ireland Assembly or the Northern Ireland Office as a way of dealing with other contested issues in the future.
The Citizens' Assembly offers an intensive process where you get a representative sample of people from across the region to really look in depth at the issues and make recommendations based on their own knowledge, their experiences, but also discussion and deliberation with other participants who they probably wouldn't have ever met in their lives otherwise.
The topic was adult social care, which is a really important topic, and I think the engagement of the members really reflected that they were really enthusiastic about the topic as well as the process.
To hear from a range of political views, meet people from different community backgrounds, it's been a joy. It's been very, very enjoyable.
I was very pleasantly surprised. I've never taken part in something like this, so it was well thought out and sort of efficiently conducted.
People from different backgrounds, different religious backgrounds as well as social, we all seem to be agreed on a lot of the issues and the solutions to them, and something that the politicians maybe could learn from.
If you want to give off about something, then the best remedy for that is actually to do something. So I think I'm going to try and do something. But I think there's people giving of their time and their weekends. I think it's fantastic. Also, they're going back into the community and sharing that information and knowledge. So they're raising the energy levels for participation. I think that's amazing. I think that's how you get things solved.
We don't have to just leave it to the politicians to resolve these. It's everybody's responsibility across society. Everybody's affected by these issues, and everybody has a role to play in resolving them. And using methods like this, there are solutions in sight.
There was a real interest in, is this happening again? Will a Citizens' Assembly happen again on this subject, or will a Citizens' Assembly be held for other topics? And a real appetite to be involved. We had a couple of people saying, you know, count me in. So yeah, a real appetite for this to happen again.
And the whole, selection of people from the population were engaging over these 2 weekends in a way that any government department would look on with envy. So I think maybe to look at processes would be, a really worthwhile thing.
I do think that there should be more assemblies like this on other topics, because it gives the ordinary person, sometimes people who feel they don't have a voice, to be able to put their point of view and get involved in a democratic process.
I think it would be very useful to have more assemblies like this. I really do, because of the breadth of experience that's out there that's not taken into consideration.
People finally feel that their voices are heard way beyond that ballot box, way beyond that cross or numbers in a box. This is about a long-term, deliberative, engaging discussion where people really feel that their voices are heard.
So policymakers can have a lot of confidence that the recommendations that have come out of the Citizens' Assembly represent what a broad sample of the population of Northern Ireland would agree on, given time to review the evidence and discuss it in detail. So we really hope to see that this is taken on board by the Department of Health as they move forward on policy on social care in an ageing population.